Hey everyone, welcome back to Tool Lab. In this episode, we're looking at some awesome new tools that boost your efficiency and make projects a breeze. These gadgets blend clever tech with everyday convenience. Let's jump in and see how these tools can make your life easier. Koken Wheel Nut Socket Set is made from tough, high-grade metal that stands up to daily use. It includes 3 sockets, 17 millimeters, 19 millimeters, and 21 millimeters, each in its own bright color so you can grab the right one at a glance. Weighing just 23 ounces, this compact set won't slow you down. Each socket has a standard round fitting, so you can easily snap it onto your screwdriver, impact driver, or any other compatible tool. They're built especially for car wheels, so they're extra strong when you need to tighten or loosen those stubborn nuts. To protect your rims from scratches, the outside of each socket is coated with a soft rubber layer. And for quick identification, every socket is clearly stamped with its thread size. Whether you're a pro mechanic or just changing a tire yourself, this set makes the job faster and safer. Metabo Speed Die Grinder delivers a blistering 28,000 RPM and lets you dial in the speed you need for any job. Thanks to VTC technology, it keeps that speed steady even when you're pushing hard. The brushless motor not only boosts performance and lifespan, but also feels comfortable in your hand, so you can work longer without getting tired. Changing bits is a breeze with the built-in spindle lock, and you've got a simple on-off switch right where you need it. Additionally, a removable filter keeps dust and grit out of the motor, so this grinder keeps running strong for years. Sock-tone telescoping ladder is a handy tool that makes jobs around the house or on the work site much easier. When it's folded up, it's just 20 pounds and slim enough to carry with one hand thanks to its built-in handle, so you can toss it in your car trunk without any hassle. Once you pop it open, the ladder sits firmly on the ground with non-slip feet and extra stabilizers at the base to keep you safe. It barely wobbles, less than 10 degrees, even when you're working at its full 12.5-foot height. Made from tough, rust-proof aluminum, it can hold up to 340 pounds and won't wear out in hot or cold weather, giving you reliable support for years to come. Quan Yu Portable Drill Sharpening Machine is a handy, lightweight tool that plugs into any standard 110-volt outlet and draws just 1 ampere. It spins up to 5,400 revolutions per minute, so you can quickly and smoothly sharpen high-speed steel drill bits without burning them up. It comes fitted with a super hard CBN grinding wheel for long-lasting, precise edges. You also get 11 ER20 collets to hold your bits firmly in place, plus an adjustable setting pin for fine-tuning. There are 4 preset sharpening angles ready to go, and you can even dial in any custom angle you need. Under the hood is a low-noise, copper wound motor with excellent heat dissipation, so it runs quietly and stays cool. Weighing only 18.5 pounds, it's sturdy enough for tough jobs, yet still easy to carry around your workshop. Stubby Nozzle is a handy add-on for your Milwaukee M18 fuel blower that makes chores like drying your car or blowing away dust much quicker. At just 8 inches long, 14 inches shorter than the regular nozzle, it easily reaches tight spots where the standard tube can't. Its slim opening focuses the air into a powerful stream, so water beads disappear fast and dirt gets blown off in no time. Attaching and removing it takes just seconds. It snaps on firmly and stays put without any wobble. Made from tough PETG plastic with 3D printing, this little nozzle stands up to regular use and keeps performing reliably every time. Klein Tool Professional Stapler makes tacking down cables quick and easy. Built from tough aluminum with a hard-wearing finish, it won't let you down on the job. It takes 2 staple sizes, 13/64 inch and 19/32 inch, and works with everything from Ethernet wires to fiber optic lines. Instead of pushing the handle straight down like a normal stapler, You simply push it forward, so your hand won't get tired even after hours of use. The magazine holds 20 staples at once, and at just 1.6 pounds, it's light enough to carry all day. There's a handy clip right on the side, so you can hook it to your belt or pocket and keep it within reach. Homax Text Pro Sprayer makes adding texture to walls and ceilings quick and painless. It sprays evenly and smoothly, so your finish looks great every time, and it works just as well on light or heavy textures. At only 13 pounds, it's easy to hold for long periods without your arms getting tired. Unlike bulky air guns, this compact sprayer fits comfortably in your hands, perfect for small to mid-sized jobs. Two handles balance the weight, giving you extra control and less strain. When you run out of material, just pop in a new texture cartridge. No messy refills. Everything tucks neatly into the included carrying case, so you can grab it and go. Skill Power Drain Cleaner is a handy battery-powered tool for clearing clogged pipes. It runs on a 20-volt lithium battery with a 2.0 amp-hour capacity and comes with a 30-watt charger. Weighing just 7.5 pounds and totally cordless, it's a breeze to maneuver into tight spots. The tough 1/4-inch steel cable stretches up to 26 feet and tackles pipes from 3/4 inch to 2 inches wide. With one button, you can feed the cable in or pull it back automatically. No wrestling required. You can even dial in the perfect cable speed for precise work, and the built-in footrest keeps the unit steady on flat floors. Simple, powerful, and portable. Skill Power Drain Cleaner makes quick work of any drain clog. ESAB Renegade Volt is a cordless welder that runs on 4 DeWalt 12-volt batteries. You can also plug it into the wall or switch to a hybrid mode that combines battery and mains power for extra punch. On battery alone, it's got enough juice to weld about 32 rods before you need a recharge. The tough protective case has a handy carry handle, and when you're plugged in, it can put out up to 200 amps. Even at full power, it stays efficient, about 80% welding efficiency, and very stable, power factor 0.99. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Clear indicator lights, and a simple dial to fine-tune your welding current. The batteries slide into an easy-access side compartment, so swapping them out is quick. Plus, the included positive and negative cables are solid copper for reliable performance. Beam Nova lifting clamp is your go-to tool for safely lifting and moving sheet metal with a crane or hoist. It's built tough, able to handle up to 4,500 pounds, thanks to its strong alloy steel body and special rust-fighting coating. The clamp opens from 0 to 1.2 inches, so you can adjust it to fit different thicknesses of metal. Setting it up takes just a couple of simple moves, and once it's locked on, your load is held securely. From picking up steel sheets and plates, to helping out with tasks like assembling structures, welding, machining, or cutting, the Beam Nova lifting clamp makes the job easier and safer. Hilti Gas Nailer is a handy tool that lets you quickly drive nails into tough materials like brick, steel, concrete, and more. It doesn't need batteries or plugs, just a small gas canister, which means you can move around freely on the job without worrying about cords or charging. One gas canister can fire up to 1,000 nails before it needs swapping, so you can work for a long stretch without stopping. The nail gun holds 40 nails in its magazine, making it easy to reach tight spots without pausing to reload. There's also a simple gauge that shows how much gas you have left, so you'll always know when it's time for a fresh canister. Weighing only 8.6 pounds and shaped to fit comfortably in your hand, the Hilti Gas Nailer stays light even during long periods of use. Perfect for pros who need speed and ease on busy work sites. Wilbond is a handy cable organizer designed for both home and office use. It's made from tough nylon and uses a Velcro backing that sticks firmly to any carpet, no matter how thick or thin. The strip is 3.9 inches wide and holds up to 5 standard cables. At 9.8 feet long, you can easily cut it to fit your needs. Installation couldn't be simpler. Lay your cables flat on the floor, press the Velcro strip on top, and you're done. When you need to move it or clean under it, just peel it off. No fuss. By keeping wires out of sight and off the floor, you'll enjoy a tidier look and avoid tripping hazards. We hope you enjoyed this review. Subscribe for more content, hit the like button, and tell us which tool impressed you the most.